Alright traders, good evening. Quick little trading recap. USD yen, let's bring that up. So USD yen is a 1% losing trade, and I just want to go over that just briefly. I didn't log where then it bounced. Well, I did get pretty low though. It did, yeah. Alright, so we've got the 1 hour. Sorry, I'm on the 1 hour now. So I would have got in. Let's log this. Let's do some. I like my thumbs up. I like to keep it positive. So thumbs up would have been around. So as you can see, I really sort of got when it was a little overextended, but I got in about here, and then 111.35 was the that was where I got out. Hit the stop loss. Thumbs up again. Keep it positive. What was the low there? 38. So it would have been there. The low was 305. So, yep. Now, I'll take the grid out. I don't really like running with the grid. And so there it is. So on the daily, I was trying to do. I saw that. That wasn't too bad. I took it as this candle was going. So that candle closed. And I was like, you know what? This candle's looking okay. And yeah, it ended up sort of. But you can see it's pretty insignificant on the daily though. But that is the trade, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of that as well. I don't think it captures my head, but it has sort of bounced a little bit. But it's one of these things where I sort of trade what I backtested, and I sort of have to add a couple of variables into when I do take a live trade, and that's something I have to take into account. So we'll go back to trade. Here is the AUDCAD position. Now stop loss has been moved to break even. It went to 1% unrealized. So when it does go to that, so that's a 1 full R. So I'm risking 37 pips. I moved 37 pips. So stop loss is just below break even. And so there's no risk there. Now I was talking about the euro as a potential short as well, and it's not quite there yet, unfortunately. So going to have to sort of let that go for a little bit and see what it wants to do. So it's a bit of a no-go, but again, I'll keep monitoring it. Go to the 4 hour. I'm just going to sip the tea. Creme brulee tea from T2. So not too bad. See right there, yeah, that's a bit of a reversal sign there. So I'm going to be tentative. Yeah, it's just really choppy though. I mean, you go to the daily and it's tough. I think Connor on the podcast earlier this evening, I put that out. He's been in it 35 days. He shorted it on this candle here. So, if you are a trend trader of the euro high time frame, it's been tough. There's nothing there, to be honest. So, what can you do? Let's go to the Aussie dollar and see what that's doing. So, I am in a position I can lose 2% in a week. And so I can still trade because the AUDCAD there's no risk on that now. Aussie dollar, let's see what the Aussie dollar is doing. In regards to setups, there's not really much. I might just do a real big scan here of the chart because it is near 10:30 at night. Things have sort of had the whole day to develop. The pound. What's that doing? Whew, look at that candle. That's tough. I mean, that's taking everyone out. He's shorting that. That's brutal. Man, that's tough. But that's why you need good risk management, because if you're seeing this, you're like, yeah, I mean, this can happen. So, where it sort of spikes up and have a big buyer, and then it just, they start selling again. So once they take you out. USDJPY, what's that doing? Hope everyone's having a great week so far as well. I will be back tomorrow with a few videos I've been doing today. This has been my 3rd video as well. I don't think I'll do a live video. I did capture the AUDCAD live. That was a live trade that I did. So I normally film the trades, but I don't typically put them up. But the live stuff's pretty interesting, so I'll keep doing that. USDCAD, that's uneventful. And I'm gonna recheck the USD Swiss, and then I'll finish on the USD Yen. Alright, so it's a bit of a mixed bag with US dollar strength. That's interesting. It's just tough with these candles. I don't enter a trade like that. That's something like this is good. That's actually a nice entry right there. That's a pretty sweet entry. And the stop would have been down there. No, not on the 200. Would have been down there. So yeah, that's interesting. USD Swiss is on the watch for a buy trade. Yeah, it is. Okay. Daily. Still really sideways and range bound. Look at that. How about that little staircase? Look at that though. That is crazy. On the top of that, it's got a big shadow right there. Nice engulfing candle. That's gorgeous. At the top, down here or so. And it's stacking it. It's stacking it. That is unreal. When was that? In April? I didn't trade it in April. I think I was loaded on other stuff. Wow, that's nice. And USD Yen. Let's finish on the USD Yen. USD Yen. Everybody's having a good time. So that's a trade. And there's no running. Bit of running and gun, baby. None of that. None of that. I think this is, when did that print? This right here was a recent trade. I took that. Really the thesis was it was a really nice, strong daily candle with the trend. Now I understand FOMC, but I don't backtest that. So obviously there are a few variables taken into consideration. I took this on a 1 hour entry, so that the trade's over quickly. So that's the thing. You can't just go, who knows? I might continue on now, and I'll re-enter. To be honest, if it gets back to 112, I might actually contemplate, doing that. So right now I probably won't, because the price action won't be that strong because it's leading up to the NFP announcement. So, but other than that, I've just got the AUDCAD running and gunning, baby. Where's the AUDCAD? AUDCAD. So no set take profit. Now what I like about this trade, you go to the daily, and obviously it's down here. There is a little bit of support, but I mean, if it really breaks down here, there's a lot of room to the left where can just fall completely. You want it to free fall. You want to see something like this, blah, or that, blah, blah. That's great. So that's what I'm contemplating. So as you can see, it's sort of, but this could easily bounce back. So we'll see, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching, and bye for now.